Alright, new inventory. This awesome little 2022 Ford Transit Connect XL long wheelbase, fully loaded out, rear entry handicap wheelchair conversion. It's a drive-urge conversion, 37,000 original miles, clean Carfax, clean title. Awesome little vehicle, comes with all of the retractors, roadside kit, extra seat belt. This is a manual rear entry setup, awesome little setup. This thing is mint, 37,000 miles, needs nothing. Basically a brand new little van here. It's a 2022. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. I'm going to give you the full run through. It's a great little setup. Very versatile vehicle. This thing was fleet maintained. So drive-urge conversion. Comes with all of your retractors. Okay. These are also electronic retractors. Okay. There is a switch right here, so you can use them. Okay. Which is a pretty awesome setup. Comes with your extra seat belt, all of your fasteners. These seats you can push down. All of this lays flat if you want. I will give you a demonstration. So this you can lay flat completely. Just give us a call or shoot us a text at 954-561-2499. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Can even pop this up too. Awesome. It's in mint condition all the way around, of course. Again, it's a 2022 Ford Transit. Fleet maintained. This thing has been very well kept. Comes with a roadside kit, first aid kit, dual doors on both sides, full power backup camera. Tires are good. This thing is ready to go. This is going to be an awesome deal. Great setup, runs and drives perfectly. Again, this is a 2022 with 447 on the miles. Cold air, dual air. It's got air all the way in the back for the wheelchair passenger as well. Super easy and convenient setup, because you also get to keep your full use of the back seat, or you can lay it flat. So plenty of room. If you have other passengers or family members that you need to travel with, it's got full power package, power windows, locks, cruise. There's no warning lights. I mean, no stories with this thing. It is what it is. 2022. Excellent. It's got full 50 state emissions, including California. Backup cameras in the little screen there. You got nice storage compartments up here. Just a very, very nice vehicle. Got your rubber floor mats throughout. Comes to a mobility vehicle. This is pretty hard to beat. Clean under the hood, as you can see. No accidents, non-smoker. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We've been in business 47 years. We can ship anywhere in the world. Happy to help at any time. We accept trades, and we can help with financing. Just let us know what you got. If you want to trade something in, we can ship this right to your door. As you can see, I lifted that right up, and it goes right into position there. Simple and easy. You don't have to be a bodybuilder either. It's an 800-pound capacity on this ramp. The beauty about this ramp as well, it lays flat just like that. Helps to have two hands. And you can also fold this all the way so it lays flat completely, and you have a full cargo area here if you would like. So as you're stored, you have the ramp down. You can use this for cargo area, bikes, anything you want, a scooter storage. Spare tires here, it's brand new. You also have air conditioning here, so you know, so your passenger here is not sweating in the back or freezing. And then you could store this up if you would like. Just lock that in, and it can store standing up as well. So feel free to give us a call at 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. 2022 Ford Transit, long wheelbase, handicap wheelchair conversion. Awesome little setup. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Only 5-star reviews. Only the best vans for sale. We sell new and used handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans. Any questions, feel free to reach out to us. This thing's ready to go. Give us a like, give us a follow. 954-561-2499. Call or text.